Okay, welcome back to part 2 of the suspension video. And what I'm going to be doing right now is painting. Well, I'm not going to be painting it, but I've got a little helper who's going to be painting this for me. It's been sanded, cleaned and washed off, so all the loose grease, dust and stuff is removed. I've got a little bit of a fire going on because we are in the midst of winter, Christmas Eve actually. Okay, so here we go. It's basically matte paint and it's done with a brush. I was thinking about spraying it, but I thought, you know what, let's do a proper job and get between all the gaps, because a brush will be able to get behind the springs and coils. I didn't want to really take the coils apart and do a full thing, because as you know, I have ordered the actual suspension replacement. But for now, I think it's worth showing you like a before and after of what it would look like. So here's how it would look if it wasn't broken, because one of the clips was broken on this one, if you remember. The adjustment suspension clip was broken, so that meant that I had to order some new ones. So they are on the way, but these are being painted and it'll show you that it is possible to do this. I am going to put them back on the bike for now, because I think with how things are going at the moment, the postage delays will be oncoming. So the new ones haven't come yet and they won't come for a while. So I'm going to put these on the bike and take the panels off and do the remaining work, because it'll allow me to move the bike around. Because at the moment, as you know, if suspension is removed, the back of the bike just basically sits on the back wheel more or less. So here's how it looks, still a bit wet, but as it dries I'll show you tomorrow's view. But for now, this is the suspension part 2 and how to basically revamp them to get decent. Well, stop it rusting basically, because that it really looked nasty with that rust in between the coils and that.